Hydrogen peroxide, a common household antiseptic, is known for its disinfecting properties but also offers a surprising array of health benefits. Made up of water and an extra oxygen molecule. Hydrogen peroxide has powerful oxidizing properties, making it effective not just for cleaning but also for promoting health in various ways. Here are 5 notable health benefits of hydrogen peroxide. 1. Wound disinfection and healing. Hydrogen peroxide is widely recognized for its antiseptic properties, making it a reliable option for wound care. When applied to minor cuts, scrapes, or burns, it helps kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi by releasing oxygen when it come into contact with the affected area. This action helps reduce the risk of infection, and its bubbling effect can help remove debris. However, prolonged use should be avoided, as it can potentially damage healthy tissue around the wound. 2. Oral health and whitening. A diluted hydrogen peroxide solution can be used as a mouth rinse to improve oral hygiene and whiten teeth. It works by breaking down bacterial biofilm on the teeth and gums, helping to reduce plaque and freshen breath. Many over-the-counter teeth whitening products include hydrogen peroxide for its bleaching properties. To use it safely, it's recommended to dilute it to about 3% or lower, and avoid swallowing. 3. Foot fungus and athlete's foot treatment. Hydrogen peroxide can help combat fungal infections like athlete's foot. The compound's strong oxidizing properties make it effective against fungal cells, which can help clear up infections over time. Soaking feet in a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water can help eliminate fungal growth and prevent future outbreaks. This treatment also provides relief from itching and can help prevent the spread of fungal infections to other areas. 4. Sinus and respiratory health. When diluted properly, hydrogen peroxide can be used in a nebulizer or nasal spray to help clear sinus congestion and treat upper respiratory infections. The extra oxygen molecule in hydrogen peroxide targets harmful bacteria and viruses in the sinuses and respiratory tract, providing relief from cold symptoms. Caution is essential, as hydrogen peroxide must be diluted significantly and used under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid irritation. 5. Earwax removal. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used as an earwax removal solution. A few drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide can be placed in the ear to help soften and loosen hardened earwax, making it easier to remove. The bubbling action helps break down wax deposits, relieving discomfort caused by blockage and preventing potential infections. Precautions and safe usage. While hydrogen peroxide has numerous benefits, it's important to use it carefully to avoid irritation and side effects. Always dilute hydrogen peroxide to a safe concentration, generally no more than 3%, and consult with a healthcare provider before using it in any therapeutic manner.